Get ready everyone, as we're taking a deep dive into some seriously awesome gadgets made for dudes and exploring the latest tech trends that'll have you drooling for an upgrade. This opening mechanism reminds me of the knives in CSGO, yet it's a pry, so it's pretty safe to play with. The compact design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or attach to your keychain, ensuring that you always have a handy tool when you need to pry open objects, cut through materials, or perform other utility functions. Not into prying? No problemo. Check out this comb that opens and closes the same way. Who doesn't need a comb, right? Tiny multi-tool on your keychain is handy, but things can get tricky when you try to take it off that dang ring. Finally, the problem is solved. SnapCut uses neodymium magnets to lock items like keys and tools to your belt loop or a backpack. In addition, there's a hidden blade discreetly tucked away in the magnetic connection that allows you to open boxes and packages. The magnet, it's strong enough to withstand a 4-pound weight, so simple yet so effective. Check out this wallet. It's stylish and functional all in one. The first thing you'll notice is that it's lightweight and slim, yet it can hold up to 8 credit cards along with your cash and keys. Everything is neatly organized, allowing instant access to the most needed items. The stainless steel construction stands out for its great durability and ability to block thieves from stealing your card info. But the coolest part is the integrated omnidirectional flashlight. It's bright enough even for reading, and there are several tool add-ons. You might get a built-in screwdriver, box opener, or a flash drive. Okay, this one's for those who need to keep their hands busy. Yep, there's a compact fidget toy on top of that screwdriver. By the way, designed for 1/4-inch bits, it features a reversible bit hole glass breaker tip for emergencies. Well, you know, it's life. But what if you need more than 1 bit? Well, this leather burrito will help you deal with some fixes you may face at home or during your adventure. Unroll it to reveal 13 bits, ready to tackle different types of screws and bolts. The bits are made from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting performance. As for the bit driver, it features a comfortable handle with a grippy texture, providing you with a secure and comfortable grip. This makes it easier to apply the necessary torque. Not impressed? Here's another set with an incredible 120 bits. In addition, there's a bit driver, a flexible hose for tricky places, and a couple of other great tools for some tiny repairs, and it's still compact. Hanging out in the garage again? This speaker will be your ultimate buddy. Seriously, it'll be right there with you, ready to jam. You can stick it to any metal surface or clamp it onto your workbench. And get this, it's got a crazy Bluetooth range of over 250 feet. So you can rock out to your favorite tunes wirelessly for a whopping 32 hours. Plus, it's got easy-to-use buttons, so you can control everything. Want to turn your repair session into a full-blown party? Connect over 100 speakers and experience the most immersive sound ever. I apologize for being blunt, but your collar looks like garbage. This cutie will keep it in place all day long. This accessory uses strong magnets to hold your collar exactly where you want it. It comes in multiple sizes and works with all types of collars, button-down, casual, or sportswear shirts that feature a collar stay slot underneath. Just insert the power stays, then turn your collar down and secure it with the magnetic power buttons. Voila! You're ready to shine bright like a diamond. Ahoy there! Feast our eyes on this magnificent Bourbon rack, crafted from reclaimed whiskey barrels. Should ye desire to secure your treasures, a small lock can be added to the latch. Measuring 35 inches high, with a top span of 22 to 23 inches and middle width of 24 to 25 inches, this unique piece is big enough to hold your beloved spirits. I found some great flashlights to help you in the dark. This one from Wuben boasts a unique 180 degrees rotating head that allows you to effortlessly adjust the beam direction. Aside from that, it features a wide 175-degree beam angle, a long throw distance of 968 feet, and several brightness modes. You can hold it in your hand, clip it to your backpack, or mount it on a metal surface. Oh, and it can also double as a power bank. As for the other one, that flashlight reminds me of R2-D2 that has transformed into a flashlight. It features several modes, including an SOS mode for emergencies. At the tail, there's a customizable ambient light that will please your eye. But the coolest part is the whole set of fidget toys, a stress-relieving clicker, a clicking wheel, and 2 spinners. Cyberpunk is here. Each case is a masterpiece that you can wear like a necklace, and the earbuds are equally impressive in their performance. Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity ensures the lowest possible latency, while the huge dynamic drivers deliver detailed sound with rich bass. As for the battery life, the buds last about 10 hours on a single charge. I also need to show you another pair of earbuds. They're the same, with just two differences. There's a built-in display that shows the battery status, and the case is so sturdy that you can use it as a bottle opener. The manufacturers claim that this is the best electric bike in history that'll redefine the world of two-wheel transportation. The WAU CYBER offers 3 models with motors ranging from 250 to 5,000 watts, reaching impressive speeds of 15 to 55 miles per hour depending on the configuration. With a range of up to 200 miles on a single charge, this bike is designed for long-distance adventures. Other notable features include a 270 ounces storage compartment, GPS tracking, wheel locking function, and a built-in screen, enhancing convenience and functionality. Make inspecting, sensing, and painting tall buildings easier, safer, and less expensive. HausBots HB1 can climb any surface, whether it's rough, smooth, or non-metal, and can even tackle obstacles like wires and bolts. With a payload of 13 pounds, it's perfect for surveys, inspections, and painting. But here's the cool part. It generates 92 pounds of sticking power, creating high-speed airflow and low pressure for stability. It can climb up to 98 feet from the ground, and with a tether attached to the roof, there's no limit. Autumn is a beautiful time of year, until the leaves in your backyard start to look like a serious mess. Luckily, Ant, the revolutionary yard tool, is here to save the day. It turns tarp dragging into a breeze by enabling you to stand up, lean into the pad, and walk forward just as you naturally would. The Ant is also incredibly versatile and easy to use, allowing you to navigate huge tarps through backyard gates, reduce fatigue and fuel by throwing wet leaves onto a tarp and hauling them out without breaking your back. The Ant's intuitive design, including heavy-duty steel carabiners and a 10-foot length, makes it compatible with virtually all tarps. Tired of your watch dying mid-travel? Say hello to your new wingman, the Astronomy Gyroscope Watch Winder. This little guy may be small, but he's mighty. Just give him a regular power source and turn the knob to control the rotation speed. Here's another option. It's a bit better, since it's the smallest watch winder. The rocket's sleek and innovative design includes a rechargeable battery-powered single watch winder with all the necessary indicators and functionality to keep your watch ticking and protected while on the move. What's cool is that its patented technology counts the turns per day, ensuring your timepiece is always perfectly wound and ready for action. And for your home, you can get its bigger sibling. It's handmade, it looks luxurious, and it perfectly does its job. This vacuum fits in the glove box, but don't jump to conclusions. Although it's compact, it flaunts a powerful suction. The battery has enough juice to clean the car interior after a long road trip, and there's a handy nozzle for those tricky corners and air vents. Once you're done, simply unscrew the upper part to dump the trash, and voila! The vacuum is ready for its next mission. Oh, did I mention you can use it to clean not only your keyboard, but also your PS5 and even your cooktop? It's that versatile. You think this camera can only be used outdoors? You're wrong, but let's start with the basics. Redtiger is great for shooting outdoors, whether it's a ride through the woods or capturing night scenes of nature. Additionally, you can set the time to start shooting those beautiful time lapses. Equipped with a 9,000 mAh battery, it can shoot in 1080p format for up to 36 hours or provide 60 days of ultra-long standby. It is rainproof, anti-fall, and capable of operating in a wide temperature range. Another advantage is that it can be used for mobile monitoring. But here's the best part. Use it to create your vlogs and keep a tablet nearby to control the shooting process. This day has come. Witness the shaver with built-in AI that will teach you how to shave. Seriously, see that ring? Its color will tell you when your pressure is too low or too high. Hey buddy, the ring is orange already. Just like any other top-notch shavers, this one can be used on wet or dry skin, with or without shaving foam. And the unusual design makes it easy to shave hard-to-reach places. You want just to shape your bush a little? Then pick up the trimmer, set the desired length, and go conquer those jungles, no matter where they are. Great news for all the travelers out there. All of your most needed tools are now combined in a single survival belt. Well, the main part is the buckle since it stores all the tools. Starting with the really sharp stainless steel blade that's coated with titanium for durability. The knife is only accessible when lifting the buckle, so it's completely safe. And there's a built-in bottle opener right under the blade. When you're ready to take a rest and prepare some food, just pull out the integrated fire starter. Unlike regular matches, this thing will work even if it's wet. And on top of that, the buckle includes a cool LED flashlight that'll light up your way in the dark. Whether you decide to use this light on your job site or somewhere outdoors, it'll work equally well. So it boasts 2000 lumens, several brightness modes, and low power consumption. One more pro is that it's extremely portable. You can carry the light by hand on the go, position it freestanding, mount it to a wall, hang it using the integrated hook, or just clamp it to any surface you need. And since the light offers a 270 degrees rotation, feel free to position the lighting wherever needed. I'm not a fan of smoking, but if you're cool with it, you might want to consider getting this steel ashtray. It's great because it helps keep that tobacco smell at bay. The lid is super easy to pop open and shut, and bonus, it can even act as a cigarette holder. Plus, it's portable, so you can use it wherever you please, whether that's at home or in the office. Okay, what do you usually need the most? Some fragile electronics? Crucial survival gear? EDC tools? No matter the filling, this waterproof case from Evergreen will keep them safe and sound. Just close the lock and go search for a new adventure. The accessory is water, dust, and shock-proof, so don't hesitate to take this thing when surfing, kayaking, or conquering another mountain peak. The manufacturer claims it's so sturdy and safe that you can even keep your armor in there. Additionally, there's a lifetime warranty, which is why I tend to trust that the case is really good. Every time you ride a bike, you have to take a bike pump with you just in case, but it's usually so bulky. Thankfully, this bike pump is no bigger than your watch, but it's still pretty mighty. The manufacturer claims this little brick will inflate a flat tire in just 2 minutes. As usual, everything is simple. You just need to connect the device to the bike valve, Presta or Schrader, and push the button. Once the pressure is okay, the device will automatically turn off. Of course, you're free to use it to inflate other things too, as there are several nozzles for that. Just don't forget to charge the pump. Are you into baseball? Gyrospeed is a pitching tool that'll enhance your pitching performance, develop better control and accuracy. It measures pitching speed and helps find the best arm swing angle for maximum performance. By fine-tuning technique and increasing accuracy, players gain a competitive edge. Gyrospeed also reduces the risk of shoulder and elbow injuries by promoting correct form. With electronic speed measurement, pitch counting, and portable design, it's the ultimate training companion for pitchers, infielders, outfielders, and catchers. Need to keep your hands busy when you're stressed or contemplating something? These coins might be the solution. As you can see, you can spin, touch, and wear them to concentrate and relieve stress. Those who like clicking sounds will appreciate this option with 6 neodymium magnets. Click, slide, and turn the upper part in any direction you can imagine. Alternatively, you can choose the slider, which may look a bit more substantial but still fits in the palm of your hand. By the way, that push button is quite satisfying. Here's a little secret. Add a lower part, and you'll have an armor.